See the problem sum now. Light A flashes every 12 seconds. Light B flashes every 18 seconds. Both lights flash at the same time. Work out how long it will take for both lights to flash at the same time again. Now here you're going to think whether you're going to find LCM or you're going to find HCF. Yeah, so we are going to find LCM. Okay, because we are going to find, like they have asked you same time again, how long they are going to flash same time again. So when you want to find the times, we go with LCM. And okay, so you're going to use your factor tree. 12 of, you're going to find the factor tree for 12, factor tree for 18. And you're going to break it down. So you will say 2 times 6 is 12. 2 is a prime number, 2 and 3. And now these are prime numbers, 2 and 3, right? Now next one, you will break down 18. So 2 and 9. Okay, 2 is a prime number. Break the 9 now. So 3 and 3 are 9. Right. So you're done with the 12 and 18 factor tree. Now let us draw the Venn diagram, second step. So you know always when you're doing HCF or LCM, we have second step of Venn diagram. Draw the Venn diagram. This is 12 and this is 18. Now you need to find the common. Okay, so what is the common number? What is the common prime number between 12 and 18? So let us see. So you have 2 here. You have 2 here. Yes. So you're going to write 2 down here in between. Then you have 2 here, but you don't have anything 2 here and 18 more. So you have 3 here. You have 3 here. So you will write the here common 3, right? And now next you can see you have uncommon 2 here and then you have uncommon 3 here. Yes. So we are going to write the uncommon numbers now. So in 12 you have 2, left with 2, and 18 you have uncommon 3, right? And now you will say LCM you know very well, we multiply everything in the Venn diagram. So you're going to multiply everything in the Venn diagram. Alright. So you will say 2, how many 2 you have? 2 square. And then you will say how many 3 you have? 3 square. And then you're going to multiply. Okay, so 3 times 3 is 9 and 9 times 4 is 36. So 36 is your answer. So they are going to flash after every 36 seconds. Okay. Let us see new question. If they say you A is equal to 2 square times 3 times 5, B is equal to 2 times 3 cube times 7. You need to find HCF of A and B and you need to find LCM of A and B. So first thing is that you're going to write it in, you're going to write 2 times 2 because it is 2 square times 3 times 5. Same way you're going to write for the B, 2 times, and how many times you have, it is 3 cubes, so you will say 3 times 3 times 7, right? And now you need to draw Venn diagram. So you're going to draw Venn diagram now. Okay, and now we will see what common number they have. Okay, so now we will see a 2 here, you have 2 here, you have 2 here, right? You have 3 and 3. Perfect. So as we found the common numbers, 2, 2, 3, 3, right? And rest are uncommon. So we will say you're going to write 2. So you're going to write 2 and 3 in between because they are common between A and B. Okay, now we will see what are uncommon in A and B. In A you have uncommon 2 and 5, so you will say 2 and 5. In B you have uncommon 3, 3, 7, 3, 3, 7. Okay, and now you will see you're finding HCF, and HCF you know very well, it is only middle piece, so middle piece is 2 times 3, it is 6. LCM, you're going to multiply everything. Okay, so you're going to say 2 times 5 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 7, and then you're going to multiply everything. When you multiply everything, what's the answer? Answer 3780. Done.